Hey guys, we're gonna be playing, with a guy today I found in a public lobby because my friends got off. But, we're just gonna be like, come out, yeah. Come on, man, don't be scared. I said, don't be scared, man. Go! Oh, no. Yeah! Oh, no. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is, the tiny area back there. So, we get to the tiny area.
Yeah, the tiny area.
And you wait right here. No, you wait out here. You wait right outside here. I go in it, and then I go at the beginning, and you wait here on that. When I say 3, 2, 1, I get a 5-second head start to hide, and then if you find me, we just play tag in there. And then we do that, okay? 3, 2, 1, I get 5 seconds. Come on.
Is it done?
Come on.
I'm coming. Hey, I have a question.
Hey,
I won't tag you. Where
what?
are you? Here.
Right here.
Is my hat weird?
No. It's a cosmetic.
To me, it looks weird because I can see it right in front of my screen, like literally.
Most
right there.
cosmetics do that.
No. But that's only on YouTube. Like when you do videos, they never really.
No, it looks like that for them too.
Hey, I found you.
Now you gotta tag me. No. Okay, go back to the beginning. You got me. We gotta touch the tip, man. I mean, not, okay? That was not meant to be there.
Penguin Paradise?
Yeah.
Do you want to play together?
In a little bit. We'll switch games and okay, you ready to go? 3, 2, 1,
yeah.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no. Get out here. That was quick, bro. I'm adding a timer in the corner, bro. I'm in the timer in the corner of the video, bro. Just to show how fast that was. Okay. Don't tag me. No.
Yeah, I actually have to go.
Oh. Okay, I'll get another guy.
Go.
Yeah, I'll get another guy.
You want to friend each other on Oculus?
No. I just need someone for a video. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. The other guy left, so we got this man right here. He's beautiful, because he has witch hat. Okay, so what we're doing, is we both start right here, at tiny area.
Yeah.
We both start right here.
Yeah.
I get a 7-second head start. I get a 7-second head start to hide, and then if you find me, we just play tag. Okay, come on.
Wait, I'm gonna try to get something. I'm gonna try to get
Oh. No, you're tiny. Bro, you're supposed to be the one hit.
Oh,
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, 7-second head start, and then, okay. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boogly.
Yeah, I went out.
Come here, little boy.
No! Okay, we're gonna go start again.
My turn.
Come on, man, we gotta do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What you doing?
Nothing. Where's that ring?
No, I missed. No. No, I ain't no. Okay, I got you.
No.
Eat it. Wait, I'm gonna try to do something quick.
Okay,
I'll try to do something quick.
where you going, little boy?
No! You mean? Come here, little boy. Come here. Come here.
No,
I need to talk with you with your car insurance quarantine, bro.
car insurance quarantine.
Yes, you need to pay 100,000 crystals. Sir.
No.
Yo.
No.
Yo. Hey, boy.
I'm out of here.
Nah. Smuggling.
Too good, bro.
Definitely. I'm really good.
Hamburger.
Please. Hamburger, cheeseburger, burger.
I got patched, bro.
No!